have some problem, and when I'm going to copy this line, okay, so I have to copy and paste and copy and paste, okay, but I don't want to do this. Just I want to uh, press was in a single line, that is the Ctrl+D, but now it's not working. When I'm pressing Ctrl+D, it's not working. And let's see how to fix it, and how to enable Ctrl+D in Visual Studio Code. So there is no major task, just we have to go in the preferences, and here is a shortcut preferences, shortcut key. Look at this here. You have to come here. This is the keyboard shortcut, and just click on the keyboard shortcut, and already I have typed here, that is the duplicate. So you have to type duplicate. Okay, now duplicate. Once you see the first time, you will get here blank. Okay, but right now I have already put it here, Ctrl+D. Just you have to double click on this section, and you have to pass here Ctrl+D and press enter. Now you will be able to control D, because in this Visual Studio it's already enabled, but in the Visual Studio Code we have to do this manually. Okay, right now I'm able to control D, used control D. Okay, so here basically we are using control D for a single line copy. Okay, suppose we have to copy this line, just we don't need to this copy and paste. Okay, just we have to do control D, and now it's working fine. Okay, so there is no major task, I'm repeating again. And you have to just go on the preferences and shortcut key, keyboard shortcut, and again you have to search, sorry, uh, you have to search here duplicate. And if you want to add any other shortcut key, you can add also here. Here is a lot of, all the keys of shortcuts are available in the these sections. Okay, so thank you guys.